IVM detectors present. The Discovery 500 marks a new era in treasure hunting and gold prospecting. A true all-in-one device, built to meet the demands of serious prospectors, combining advanced tech, power, and precision. Place the strap around your neck and adjust it for a comfortable fit. Plug in the cable and lock the connector for a secure connection. With two interchangeable coils, the Discovery 500 adapts to any type of search. Use the DD coil to detect coins and small objects. To power on the Discovery 500, press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. Ground balancing is quick and intuitive. Hold the coil about 50 centimeters above the ground. Double press the GB button quickly. A beep confirms the reset. To check if ground balance is needed, lower the coil slowly toward the ground. If the sound increases, a reset is required. Then hold the GB button and pump the coil vertically. In seconds, your device is calibrated, ready for any terrain. For best performance, the DD coil must stay in motion. Sweep left to right at a constant height, keeping the coil parallel to the ground. To avoid false signals, remove all metal from your pockets, shoes, or belt. The Discovery 500 communicates through audio variations. A number shows metal conductivity, a bar indicates signal strength, and a 2D graph helps you pinpoint your target. The main unit connects to your smartphone via the dedicated app. You can log detection data in real time to better document your finds. To search deeper, the Aeropulse coil is your go-to tool. Its unique design cancels mineral effects for more professional scans. Calibration is the same as with the DD coil. Hold the coil 50 centimeters above the ground. Quickly press the GB button twice. A beep confirms the reset. To check if balancing is needed, lower the coil slowly. If the signal gets stronger, proceed with calibration. Hold the GB button and pump the coil vertically. Your device is now ready for action on all types of terrain. Thanks to its large size, it covers wide areas quickly and with precision. The Discovery 500 also works with the FluxScan sensor, perfect for detecting underground structures and analyzing magnetic anomalies in 2D or 3D. Plug it into the main unit. Turn on the device by holding on-off for 3 seconds. It starts silently. Only the screen lights up for analysis. For accurate readings, always align the IVM logo to the north-south axis. Keep a steady height between the sensor and the ground. With built-in 2D tracking, anomalies appear live on screen. It's great for quick surveys without extra equipment. A signal boost might reveal metal, ruins, or buried structures. A signal drop could indicate a void, moisture, or disturbed ground. To connect your Discovery 500, enable Bluetooth on your Android phone. Find IVM 3D Analyzer, click to connect. If asked for a PIN, just enter 1234. Once connected, the Discovery 500 links to your device. In the IVM 3D Analyzer app, 4 main options await: live scanning for real-time monitoring, 3D ground scan for deeper visual results, folder to browse saved scans, and language to adjust the interface. Once connected, choose your mode, either live scanning for instant feedback or 3D ground scan for deeper exploration. In live scan mode, tap Connect, track signal changes live, see detected anomalies directly on screen. In 3D ground scan mode, choose your scan method, manual mode, record each step manually. First, set the step distance, the number of pulses per line, and the number of lines. Auto mode, data is logged at set intervals without tapping. For accurate 3D images with the FluxScan sensor, follow a precise scanning method. Always scan north to south. In manual mode, press the button at each step to send a pulse. Make several parallel scan lines for better coverage. Leave 30 centimeters between each step and 30 centimeters between lines. These rules give better resolution and more reliable anomaly readings. After each scan, carefully review the collected data. Switch from 2D to 3D view to better understand the shape of the anomalies. Turn on Show Depth to see how deep the object is, or turn it off to view raw map data. To analyze your scans correctly, Colors alone are not enough. The numbers reveal the true nature of each anomaly. Between -4 and +4, natural soil, no major anomaly. From +4 to +8, possible artificial structure. Above +8, potential metal detection. In gold hunting, several positive spots between +8 and +45 could suggest a gold deposit, often linked to minerals like quartz, pyrite, magnetite, or hematite. For reliable results, always compare color, value, and shape. Save all your scans in the app. Tap the save icon, export your data as a CSV file. IVM Detectors wishes you success in your searches and discoveries.